welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to discuss the topic indices. Now, what is indices? Indices is when you write a number or a variable in terms of power. For example, 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2, or 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Writing 4 as a power of 2 is written in index form. Let's begin with the formulas of indices. Number 1. If you have a to the power 3 multiply a to the power 2. Over here, let's see one thing. I have I have another a. That means the bases need to be same. If the bases are same, only then the formulas can be applied. So a to the power 3 multiplied by a to the power 2 is going to give you a to the power 5. That's the opposite in case of a division. A to the power 10 divided by a to the power 3. So we will be having a to the power 10 minus 3, which is 7. Coming to number 3. If I have y to the power 4 whole to the power 3, this is called power above a power. When you have a power above a power, the powers are multiplied. So 4 times 3 is going to give you a 12. Number 4. If you have a negative power, for example, a to the power minus 3, in order to make the power positive, you have to do reciprocal. Now, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal means the denominator goes up and the denominator comes down. For example, if we have 5 by 4 whole to the power minus 2, and we want to make the power positive, so it can be written as 4 by 5 whole to the power positive 2. Let's come to the fifth formula. Cubic root over a to the power 4. It can be written as a to the power 4 by 3, which means the root over is the denominator and the power is the numerator. That's it. Hope to see you again in our next video. Bye bye.